Affiliate marketing for beginners. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for affiliate marketing, there are different platforms like ClickBank, Amazon's affiliate associate program, and you can join various other programs as well. So what you have to do is just get the links of different products from these platforms and promote them on your social media or some other website of yours. And anyone who purchases using your link, you will be getting paid a commission out of it. And the more conversions you get on your particular link, the better your revenue is going to be. So how do we do it? After getting your account signed up on ClickBank or any other platform, you will be able to generate different links. In ClickBank, you just have to create your account, and after that you can just visit the affiliate marketplace. And over here you will find different categories like the health and fitness, home and garden, self-help, and you can choose any of the category as per your needs and requirements or your own niche on your social media. Suppose you are running a social media handle for health and fitness, then you can just simply go into the health and fitness niche on ClickBank, and after that select the products from here. You can select any of the product of your choice and get to know more about that particular product, so you can talk about it on your social media in order to convince the people to purchase it. So suppose I want to promote this particular product, what I have to do is just click on this option of promote right beside it, and after that I will have to add my nickname and create hop link for it. After that I can just copy this particular link and paste it on my social media in order to get it promoted and get the conversions. On the initial conversion, I will be getting around $137 for this particular product, and the recurring bill is, which basically means that whenever someone repurchases this particular product, I will still be getting some money out of it. So this is how the affiliate marketing works on ClickBank. For Amazon, you just have to click on this particular browser and search for Amazon Associates, then open up the website of it and create an account on it. After creating your account, you will be able to see all these stats over here, and in order to promote a product, you just have to open up the Amazon account like you do, but this time you will be able to generate links for the product that you want to promote. And after the link is created, you can just promote it on your social media and every sale will be shown over here. And this way you would be able to promote your products using the link from Amazon. And this is how the affiliate marketing works on all these platforms. You can go with the different platforms as per your reason. Like there are some countries where ClickBank is not allowed, so in that case you can go with the other platforms. So this is how it all works. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.